Hi guys, this is SpyCat17. Today we're going to open 7 Pro Packs. There's also Legendary Packs out, but I don't have enough coins for them and they're probably not worth it. At least not for me, because I never get anything good in them. So let's see if we get anything good. So I think that was EJ Manuel on that one. Jeremy Maclin. Um, 90 punt returner Ace Sanders. That's pretty okay, I guess. See if we can get any elites. So Silver Trophy and Phil Dawson and Shelly Smith. So still nothing good so far. Ricky Jean Francis. Brett Kern, punter. So this is going to be the last pack. And we get Chris Ivory. So that was a pretty bad pack opening. There's also new Road to the playoff stuff out. I haven't really got any of the players yet. But before I did this video, I opened like 3 Pro Packs off camera. And in them, I got this Marcel Reese, 88 fullback. And also this Devin Hester. So that was pretty good, those Pro Packs. But, and, also, tell me if, like, these Road to the Playoff stuff are worth doing. Like, buying stuff off the auctions. It's worth it. Or if, like, any collections are good. Whoops. Like, I know the position ones are good, like the positions and team ones are good. I think I did most of those, so if there's any other good ones, leave in the comments. And yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.